Hello, I'm Henry from the Academy. If you want to know how to install a bimetallic clamp correctly, then watch this.
James here again. Just going to do a little video on, we're going to put this 8mm to 8mm stainless steel clamp on. The reason we're using stainless steel is we've got an alley down conductor, 8mm, and we've got a copper to the earth, 8mm, and obviously we want to keep those separate so the stainless steel acts as a breaker, stops them from corroding, or stops the copper from corroding the alley. Cool, so what I'm going to do first, I'm going to put some paste on the copper, stop any corrosion, any oxidation. Get a good blob of that on there. And obviously we've already cut the PVC so that there's none of that inside the clamp. And go ahead and put this on now. Put them up nice and tight, but I don't want to go too tight because I don't want to screw through the tape. Cool, so that's that one there. I'm going to paste up the alley too, for the same reason. Again, I've already cut the PVC. Just to stop any from being in the joint. Pop that in, push him nice and again, I'll do them up. Nice and tight. I won't screw too tight because obviously, again, I don't want to go through the tape. There we are, that's him screwed to the wall. And I'll just dress him down in a second and that's him done, but yeah.
If you're going to do it right. The Lightning Protection Academy gives you all you need to know about test and inspection of lightning protection systems. For further information, click on the link above. Thank you.